Good morning. It's a windy day on Beach Avenue. Today we're going to plant 160 tulip bulbs in this round planter in 5 separate holes. So here's the packages from the tulips. We've got 60 early double tulips, and that's the color mix. And then we have 100 late double tulips, all in the same holes, so that we'll have 2 shows, an early show and a late show. So the holes look like this. It takes about 5 minutes to dig 5 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. They're each about 12 to 15 inches in diameter and 5 inches deep, 6 inches deep. And what you do is you spend 5 minutes digging the holes, then you spend 5 minutes opening the packages and dumping them in evenly, and then you spend about 10 minutes straightening them out. So I've already straightened out 4 holes, so here's the final hole. All you do is you take them and you put them nose up like that, and point the tips radiating outward to make a bigger bouquet from a smaller hole. So you sort them out so that they're evenly placed along the bottom. Looks like there's one buried under here. Nope, just mud. Tips up like that. Shoulder to shoulder. They don't seem to mind. What they do mind is heavy water. I've lost entire batches of tulips in this very bed because of poor drainage. And last spring I went to great effort to dig out sections and put in gravel, and hopefully the drainage is better this winter, so then our tulips will not die. If they don't die, I will add an extra video next spring when they're blooming. In fact, I'll do 2. One for the early show, one for the late show. So then just kind of scrumble some dirt on top so that they don't get shifted by dirt going back in. And then once they're all on top, then you can just dump the dirt back on top like that. And you're done. Okay, tulip planting, 160 bulbs in 20 minutes. Okay, see you next time. As I feared, the tulips in that bed drowned over the winter. The drainage got plugged by a palm tree. The whole thing turned into a swamp. We're dealing with that now. But this is the same early-late tulip combination. Right in the middle between the first and second wave. You can see the first wave starting to fade. Still looks very nice. And then there's some buds coming rapidly behind to do the second wave. And what I've done is planted big bouquets of tulips between hostas, which are coming quick. So as the tulips die back, the hostas will take over, and this bed will change dramatically in the next couple weeks as things fade. Till next time.